Hello. We're going to go over angle measures and the new terminology that we have to learn for angle measures. Um, so angle measures kind of starts all the way back at the ray. A ray, first thing I want you to remember, a ray has an endpoint and it goes on forever. You have to name it specifically. It's not like a line segment where you can name line segments in any order. Um, so AB is a good ray name with that little line over it. But BA is not. Opposite rays make a line. So we have ML and MN make a line. We have a vertex too. So this is another term you need to know. The Y in the middle is the vertex. So our vertex is going to be right here. Angle. When you name this angle above, you have to name it XYZ or YZ or YZYX. Not anything where the vertex is on the end. That's very specific naming, just like ray, which is another good reason why they're good to be thought of in the same lesson. Naming order matters. So angle bisector, if you had an entire angle of XYZ and it was given it was 100, when you have this red angle bisector, which I'm going to call YA, that cuts this angle into halves. Bisector means halves, so 50 and 50. So just to be clear on that, you need to know that that's 50 and 50. The next thing and the last thing is kind of goes along with curve stitching, but it's right angle. It's right angle, acute angle, which is less than 90, and obtuse angle, greater than 90.